It's a Sunday night. I'm going to have a beer. It was one of my Christmas presents. I haven't used it yet, and I need to use it quick because it's a Christmas Guinness glass. I need to get rid of the lights. So let's move all these out of the way. And let's see what we got in the fridge. Top load deluxe can go in there. Ports. See what it is. Oh, look at that one at the back. That looks fabulous. English Trappist Blonde. Now, I know I've got a glass, so come with me, as my mate Alison says, to the cabinet. Right. Tea. I need proper labels, I know. I get so many comments about that. New Year's resolution, pull my finger out. Right, Tyne Meadow, fabulous little Trappist brewery. Never been there yet. Come on, Cam, Beer Guide Worldwide, let's get that organised. There it is, there it is. Move Titanic out of the way. There it is. Now it needs a clean. But that is a very limited edition Tyne Meadow glass. They go together perfectly. You see the logo on the top of the glass? That's their logo, look. Fabulous. Right, I've got my beer at, let's have a look. Drop that in there. 5.1 degrees Celsius. Now, brewery, tell me what you think, but that's what I'm drinking mine at. Cheers.